Kamusta na kita? Pagin ko hilit lang no.
Like you want to poison her.
Someone want to poison?
It's like this guy is nothing. It's like a bus. What this one is like, I just feel like it's having mental disorder.
Get ready.
Yeah, that's right. That was.
LEATHERMAN.
Who are you?
LEATHERMAN.
LEATHERMAN. That's what started. That's what started. Hello everyone. Welcome back
To God's Gabi TV reaction.
Welcome back everyone again. Yes sir.
I'm here with my boss.
I'm here with my boss.
Gabs
Gabi. Welcome.
Sunn, aka
Yeah.
AKA?
AKA mean no nonsense.
No nonsense. Right?
Yeah. Yes
Okay.
sir.
Alright, let us
Yeah.
jump in.
Yeah, today we are going to check. It's gonna be our first time, guys, to check a movie like Khasi movie. We
Khasi
never ever reacted to any Khasi movie,
Before.
so we
It's
have
our first
one
time.
suggested movie. It's not a movie; it's kind of a short film, a short movie.
Alright.
So by the title, LEATHERMAN, Chapter 1, guys. So meaning that you guys should expect Chapter 2. But I checked the movie; it's 45 minutes, guys. And I'm like, if I will react to all movie, for sure some people will get bored, right?
Yeah.
So we are going to check the trailer. Make sure to watch with us the full trailer. It's only 2 minutes. And you can tell us your own review. We'll give our own review, guys, because I'm also so curious to
know
the Khasi.
movie and the Khasi.
Yeah, because Khasi,
That's
like
true, yeah.
Meghalaya, forget of Khasi, I'm speaking like Meghalaya in general, guys. I never saw any trending movies, any big movies from there. Like, we can hear from Andhra Pradesh, there is so many heroes,
So many heroes.
like Pushpa, Prabhas, like other states, they have a lot of movies. It's only like Meghalaya. I know they have movies, but not that much.
Not that
big.
much big.
That
They are
much
all,
big.
they are most of like the majority are into music.
Yes, most of them they love music. They are so big in music, guys.
Yeah.
So we are wishing them all the best. Maybe in upcoming years, like those people who are interested in movies
Yeah.
might become big hero, guys. All the best. We are wishing it. Let's check this one, guys. It's a short Khasi action movie, guys. It's already released out. You can go and check them, guys. Support your own people, and don't forget to support us, guys. So let's start.
Without wasting any time,
Let's
I'll
go.
go right in.
Yes, sir.
Pak,
Working first.
lagi kami yuk.
What kind of food is this? Noodles? Chicken noodles?
Perintah tidak biasanya
People nowadays, you cannot trust anyone anymore. That's very true.
From the markers of the store.
Ani phim ni issue je tang khandiak ro shaw momo.
Tahu apa dia? Buat fokus.
One. New action.
It's like from the way I'm understanding, it's
It's like
Ma'am, kamusta na kita? Pagin ko hilit lang
it's
no.
like you want to poison her.
someone want to poison?
It's like this guy is nothing. It's like a bus. What this one is like, I just feel like it's having mental disorder.
Get ready.
Yeah, that's right. That was.
LEATHERMAN.
Who are you?
LEATHERMAN.
LEATHERMAN. That's what started. That's what started. Well trained. I'm enjoying, man.
That person who's in love with this girl. He's psychopath. And he's trying to run her life.
Okay.
So this guy is trying to protect her.
Okay, the ladder man.
Yeah, the other man. The hero of the movie. Released with,
It's
released
already
on
released.
YouTube. Yeah.
Already released, right?
Yeah.
So you got it.
I got it. Sharp, sharp.
You mean the boyfriend of the girl is not threatening? Is not threatening?
Yeah, he's maltreating her.
Okay.
Yeah, and that person, he saw them. He's like he's a server in the restaurant.
Okay.
He's working on the inside
He's
the
working,
restaurant. So he saw all the movement, everything. So he said,
Okay. So what my brother is saying, guys, that the girl has a boyfriend. So, but maybe the behavior is not good. How they are treating
Yeah.
the lady, right?
Yeah.
And the chief, that restaurant man,
Yeah.
the ladder man,
The other man.
he realized there is something not going
Something
well.
fishy, yeah.
So he came to support the
To
girl,
rescue the girl.
to rescue the girl.
Or else, maybe if I'm not mistaken,
Hmm.
the girl she entered the restaurant and that guy also followed her.
Oh, yeah, they followed her. They
followed her,
maybe to
yeah,
approach her.
to approach her or to harass her.
No,
sexual
no.
harassment,
The guys,
whatever it is.
the guys say eat fast so that we can go.
That means they are together, right?
They are together. That means they know each other.
Yeah, okay. I guess.
Yeah, but the way they speaking to her is not good.
It's not good.
It's not good. That's why the guy
The
came
guy
to support.
interfered and he's trying
Yeah,
to
this is actually the trailer. Maybe by watching the full
video
or
or the movie.
the movie, you will know
get to
everything,
understand,
guys.
understand, yeah.
It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. I like seeing the movement. I think the guy they are well
Action.
trained. The action is good. The action part is good. And
I enjoy it.
okay, anyway, guys, we'll be watching the movie next
Full
time,
movie,
guys.
yeah.
Next time, do also watch it, guys, and tell
Tell
us
us in the comment
the
section.
real story behind this,
Okay.
and what do you think about it, guys? If there is any other also amazing movie,
You can comment
suggest
us,
we can
suggest.
watch the trailer, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.